Many adults over 60 notice their legs becoming weaker with age. Climbing stairs feels harder. Getting up from a chair takes more effort, and balance may not feel as steady as it once did. While some muscle loss is a natural part of aging, it is not always inevitable. The foods you eat play an important role in supporting muscle health, bone strength, and mobility. Today, we'll explore 5 foods that may help support stronger legs after 60. These foods are not a substitute for medical care, but they can be part of a healthy lifestyle. Number 5, eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein. They also contain leucine, an essential amino acid that helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscle. As we age, muscles become less responsive to protein, making it even more important to include high-quality protein throughout the day. Starting your morning with 2 eggs can provide your muscles with important building blocks for maintenance and recovery. Number 4, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt provides nearly twice as much protein as regular yogurt and is also rich in calcium, which supports healthy bones. It contains probiotics that help maintain a healthy gut. Good digestion allows your body to absorb protein and other nutrients more efficiently, giving your muscles the nutrients they need. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add fresh berries or nuts instead of sugary toppings. Number 3, salmon. Salmon is packed with complete protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Protein supports muscle maintenance, while omega-3s help reduce inflammation that can affect muscles and joints. Salmon is also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, which plays an important role in muscle function and bone health. Aim to include salmon or other oily fish 2 to 3 times per week as part of a balanced diet. Number 2, vitamin D and calcium. Strong muscles need strong bones to support them. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, while calcium keeps bones healthy and strong. Low vitamin D levels have been linked with muscle weakness and an increased risk of falls in older adults. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified foods, while dairy products and leafy green vegetables are good sources of calcium. Number 1, high-quality protein. The most important nutrient for maintaining leg strength after 60 is high-quality protein. Foods such as lean chicken, fish, eggs, dairy products, and lean meat provide all the essential amino acids your muscles need. Research suggests that older adults generally require more protein than younger adults to help maintain muscle mass. Instead of eating most of your protein at one meal, spread it throughout the day to better support muscle repair and maintenance. Final message: no single food can rebuild weak legs overnight. However, a diet rich in high-quality protein, healthy fats, calcium, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients may help support muscle strength, mobility, and independence as you age. Combine these foods with regular physical activity, simple strength exercises, and adequate hydration for the best results. If you have kidney disease, osteoporosis, or another chronic medical condition, speak with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes or increasing your protein intake. Small, consistent, healthy habits can make a meaningful difference in keeping your legs strong and active for years to come.